My name is Dan Hunter, and here's a short YouTube video about uploading your videos onto Google Drive and then sharing a link for your assignments. It's a really good idea to use video to evidence testing or applications working. So let's get started. This is an interesting tutorial because I'm live with a studio audience. Make a noise, studio audience.
Hey.
Thank you very much. Right, firstly, video recommendation software. I use Loom, which is a plugin for Chrome. It records your video and puts it up in the cloud. One of the really good things about Loom is the file sizes of the videos are quite small. Cade at the back, he got an application. What was that application called? iScreen Screen Recorder. He recommends that one. I've also used Screencast-O-Matic. It doesn't matter which video application you use, your mileage may vary. So what I'm assuming is you've already downloaded your video. And if I just move my windows around, you can see I've got a video on my desktop called Dan Movie to upload. Right, if I switch to Google Drive, what I've done is I've created a folder for my videos to go in, happily called videos. To upload that video into Google Drive, nice and easy, I just click and I drag. That will upload it. There you go, less than a minute to upload. So commercial break. Excellent. The video is now uploaded. Now, to share the video, nice and easy, you just right click on there and you've got the option that says get a shareable link. That will create a URL or a web address directly to that link. Now, generally, because of permissions, not everyone can access that link if they click on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to shared settings and click get shareable link. This will give me an option to change who can see that link. Now, currently it's set to anyone who's logged in with a Guernsey College login can view that link. What I can do is I can go to the more options and link sharing. On public to the web, anyone on the internet can find it, no sign-in required. I don't want that one. I want to set it to on anyone with the link. That means that lecturers can access it. That means external verifiers who check the work can access it. So it means that everyone who needs to can do. So I'm going to click save with that. There's the link. Google gives us a nice little button to copy the link. There we go. So it's now in the clipboard. If I switch to my assignment, which I am writing in Microsoft Word, other word processors are available. I've created a heading that says video evidence of application working. I can Control V, paste that link, hit enter, and my link is there. It is that simple. So if I was a marker, an examination marker, a lecturer, that kind of thing, I'd use Control and click, and I can go and view that video. That's it. That's the end of my tutorial. Everyone get that at the back?
Yeah.
Brilliant. Right, that's it. Good day. Bye-bye.